Yep. So we decided to come check out the Four Freedoms Park Christmas celebration tonight. And
wait, can I go play on the playground?
Hopefully see the boat parade. No, the boat parade's starting in like 2 minutes, Will, so we're gonna get to the water.
I'm gonna take some time off.
Woo! I'm on my dad's head. This is so cool. So many boats. It's a boat parade. Mini one down there. Woohoo! Yeah. Santa Claus and a little red ball. Dad, go over there. Dad, where Mom is.
Yeah.
Woo! Beeping now. She's saying Will. Oh, she's right there. She's right over there. She's down in the herd.
You're gonna sit. Take your shoes off so you don't lose them over the edge. Look at this. There you go.
Woo! We're on the front now. I don't have them.
Can you back up just a minute?
A boat on top of a boat. Santa Claus is facing the wrong way.
Okay, let go. I don't want you dropping it in the water.
Okay. He's a palm tree. They're the big snowman.
There's like hundreds of boats here.
Yeah, look all the way over there. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's a pond.
Santa on the shark.
Like they don't
Santa's on like a. Oh, he's on his bag. Or I don't know what that is.
surfing.
Oh. Santa's, look at that. It's a lighthouse, and then Santa's riding up there. And on the sleigh with a beer. Yeah.
Got it now. Got it now. Thank you.
Mom, zoom in. There's Santa on the boat. Right there.
Stop. Now he's back.
300, such a 600 horse boat.
Oh, look at this.
When I was in New York, I never had
Squid.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, this is
Squid.
right now. It's 11 minutes. So maybe tomorrow morning I won't be bad. Maybe I can leave by 7:30. Yeah, I'm only like 3 miles away from home.
And then we got this red one.
With no lights at all. Where's their lights? Why are they out there?
You're naughty, right?
They're just betting on the
I'm
reflection.
naughty. You guys are all naughty over here, right?
Here's a flamingo one. That one's trolling.
Yeah, that one's trolling. Pepe will like that one.
I don't have cameras at my house. Only doorbell. So good.
I didn't see the sleigh.
No, he did. He's already going by twice.
go check out the park. My shorts on. What movie is that? Old Saint Nick?